This a girl we go on so. Dre I take up collection for right mango. Dre I take up collection for leaking roof too. So when Dre don't take up the collection and nobody no see the money, then you know say Dre is a big thief. When Dre Brian collect money, right time pocket that I go.
Remember say most leak, you know.
She better go make Andre Steve collect money. Yeah.
The roof a leak, say him a collect, him a use right man go situation a collect.
Of course that him a do. A thief him a thief.
Hey, me say it, you know, me tell people, you know, and me say more one of the liberate was sit down from life, come sit down and listen. Me tell them, you know, the PNP is going right after PNP is going to collapse.
Nicky Blessing come on live and say my beg money can roof a leak and he not no money.
And every day they sit down and chat blood. Then them bring down Andrew and them see the big house where Andrew living now. I eat Peter Phillips the campaign for not lose the election. And PNP never learn.
They not learn because they don't love Jamaica. They don't love Jamaica at all. It's a wicked set of people them. Then we burn down the country just to get them way.
I don't know if anybody see it, anybody else see it, but there was an award, a medal ceremony. I don't quite remember where it took place, but it was for the disabled Olympians, right? And Swampy G.
Me see the video part of it.
Swampy G went there, and when Swampy G went there, I saw Swampy G in one shirt, and the shirt was full white with yellow and black under the armpit. When since Jamaica color is white, yellow, white, gold, and black.
He not wear the green. He not wear the green, no matter what.
And this is the Jamaica.
Then you know see me in a parliament, everybody, all of the MP them have, because in a Jamaica we know the rule. You must put no emblem, symbol over the Jamaican flag. So all of them did have on the cancer awareness ribbon and the Jamaican flag. Him are the only one who have the Jamaican flag pin at the bottom. Yeah? So we have said somebody never pointed out to him, or in the know, or in know. You must wear the emblem over the Jamaica emblem must go on top.
If the national anthem a play, our 63 celebration and this man have an cap on it, which part who am I gonna respect?
But Jay, if the man a salute the flag, who am I gonna respect? Eh? You know respect the flag, so who am I gonna respect? If you don't respect the flag of your country, you can't respect the people.
I don't even know the national anthem. Marky G don't even know the national anthem. And I guarantee him not know the national pledge either.
Marky G don't even know what time of day it is to rot.
I know what I would love the Speaker of the House to do one day at Parliament before everybody takes seat, make them say the national anthem. Make them sing the national anthem one by one. And make them say the national pledge. And if you can't sing the national anthem and you can't say the national pledge, you can't sit down in a parliament.
I tell you, man. Marky G wear the flag, put on the flag pin at the bottom of the cancer button. And everybody else MP have it the other way around, and they must say, wait, Marky G don't know the rule. So Jamaica emblem must be above every other symbol. Seriously, if you're a leader of the opposition, somebody couldn't call him and tell him that I change the pin.
Warming can say he's going to stay as the leader of the opposition.
I tell you. One by one, them a fall like that one, yeah. One by one. One by one. The dice, them a fall. One by one. Yeah?
I am asking the same question. I am asking the same question. One, this man don't salute the national flag. Two, this man don't stand at attention when the national anthem are play. Three, this man don't even know the national anthem, because anytime the national anthem are play where Marky G is there, you have never seen him mouth a mumble like him can sing or something. Him mouth always shut.
And you not seen wear nothing green. Nothing green in my wear. So you know like the Jamaican colors.
And I want a law come out where if you are going to have something with the national color on it and you now wear it properly, you will get you're gonna get charged.
Next year, man.
All along we are talking about the constitutional reform. Marky G opposed to it, and what the Marky G are put out in a gleaner. I mean, I don't know if it's something them a cook up. When say I go meet with the Prime Minister to discuss about the constitutional reform. But let me say this. Let me say this to you, Swampy G. I mean, I'm calling you Marky G or Marky bitch. It's a Swampy G, me I call you. Anything you cook up or conspire to use against the Prime Minister of Jamaica, it shall never prosper. And as a fellow comrade say, one by one, uno go into jail. Uno go down.
One by one.
One is a grass miter.
And she take off all her social media thing, nobody can find her. Say no, say she guilty as hell. Yeah. Dig one, when you dig a hole, dig two. Dig two.
The amount of hole where they dig, and them a go down in night. Cause the one where they claim to say they dig for my Prime Minister, them a go down in night. Amount of hole where they dig. Look now, all the woman just look like a devil. Look at this woman. This woman just look evil.
Wicked.
This woman sit down on social media. One time I remember, and I was looking for the video today. I remember there was a screen recording going with this young lady, this old vagabond. Cause she's a young lady, you know, this old grass mite. When she say, oh, social media now appear and she have her money, but yet still you go thief. You have money and a thief.
Jesus. Me say them are the dice, them the weapon where them fall against Mr. Wholeness, it'll lick them. Yeah, lick them. It'll lick them one by one. Let me tell you.
You are a retired donkey.
Let me tell you, Dre, you got hear more of them come round. More of them.
Dr. Russell, I said it on my live. From election night, I said it over and over to the people them. I said we're going to sit down and we are going to have popcorn and we are going to drink champagne because there's many things to come where PNP are going to collapse.
Yeah, man. They might get exposed one by one. One by one.
We said them
one by one.
Them are going to sorry the day when they get up and plot against my Prime Minister, my party.
All the plotters gonna be exposed.
The first one that get exposed, you know. At the Batman one, Andre Stevenson, you know. When people
Jay, you know, you're the one of them collapsed today, you know. You know, you're the one that collapsed today.
And we
Yeah,
are set to know.
you should have hear what go on today for Rusty up. The man cuss out with the mark hole in that. Every baby come up there and tell him say that not nice. If you hear brother, never take time to collapse. One of them all collapse.
Today after me did enough for that grass might, yeah? Me did get something to eat.
Well, that's why I hear him today.
Little hypocrite labor rights them. Me come back for a little grass might, yeah?
Them a fall one by one, the dice a fall. One by one. Because where them all the plot where them did plot during the election, it a go expose.
It's a exposing them.
Yeah?
It's a expose.
All the plot. All the plot.
And
It
I'm
a
going to say
expose.
this. I am going to say this. I'm want to go see it. All of them are going to collapse and all of them are going to come off of social media.
All of
Might
them.
have come back. You know when the grass might have come back on social media? When she think everything is over and done with and everybody forgot about her. But anybody who over here will know her, tell her say me and one person now forgot about her. Because as you go on my TikTok page, for our video, the first video me create and put Damien Crawford voice in as a voiceover where Damien Crawford say, and I quote, "Don't worry about the security, worry about the judge, because one by one uno a go jail." I never me say so. Damien Crawford say so. Uno wanna MP, the PNP NP says so. I never me say so. And I have proof of it to show on. Hey, Father God, you sit high and look low. You sit high and look low. Wanna come and wanna chat all bag of things about my prime minister, my party. Wanna come and wanna plot things. Wanna come and wanna tell lie. Wanna come and wanna spread on propaganda. Wanna team up early up in the last year. Them the right thing they and give the PNP them to spread the lies and the propaganda and the Labour Party. And when you go on every one of the PNP live, every one of them say the same thing. Wanna come against the wrong person. But when the PNP come against the wrong person, pretty well gone.
But don't fret about the security, fret about the judge, cause one by one uno go into jail. One by uno go into one by.
Yeah?
But don't fret about the security,
Fret about the judge. If a one by one uno go into jail.
One by uno go into.
One by one uno go jail.
One by one them a collapse. One by one them a collapse.
She
See two of them come out a big. Say them want them partner money. Cause although them can't get them partner jar. I'm going get too much money and nobody not get nothing in thanks. They want them partner jar. I think my goal is to create one fun for people like those. So this one I go thief. And the next one I buy for fixing house.
no, but when you come,
So it's fun there.
when you come and you tell the people them say you will give them $1 billion they do the good work. Right? Where's the people in money? Where's the people in money? The people don't want their money, you know? Because if my party come out and say I pay the blogger them how much money for the work of the party, and when me done, I want my money. I'm gonna come, man. I'm gonna plot and go on. Plan up and go on. It's a whole thief here. It's clean. And every day she in a scrub like she working at some hospital, you know. I should do some care work, you know.